Okay, welcome Judith on the last English final test. I would like to ask you several questions. First questions, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yudhika Fathia Rahman, and you can call me Yudhika or Dika. And now I still in junior high school at Aiden boarding school, and I was born in Jakarta, 9 April 2009, and I'm 14 years old, and my home is in Magelang, Cilengsi. Okay, my hobby is playing basket and playing futsal, and my dream is I want to be a good student in here.
Next questions. How was your IT skill before coming to IDN?
Yeah, my IT skill before coming to IDN is bad lah, very bad. I don't know about how to make games, how to design, and maybe before coming to IDN, I just know how to play games, like open laptop and then go to Google, and then I search YouTube, and then I just watch video, or maybe I just know PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and but now, yeah, I already can make game lah, can design like that.
Next questions. How is your learning progress during learning at IDN, specifically for subject IT, Dinia, Tafid, and English?
Okay, the first is IT. My skill in IT is very upgrade from zero. I don't know about IT, and now I can make some game. I can make design. I know website design like Canva, Figma, and like for reference like Unsplash, like that. And yeah, my skill is upgrade in IDN, and the learning, the teacher is very good. And for the second is English. My English upgrade from zero, and now, yeah, I can speak English. And then for the third is Dinia. My Dinia is so many the new material in IDN that I get, and what before coming to IDN, I don't know what is there is like CA, BTA, like that, and Shirik, I don't know. And then when I come into IDN, I know. And for the last is Tafis. My Tafis in IDN is I can add two juice again from last time before coming to IDN. my tafis is just one juice, and the juice 29 is little, and then now I already 3 juice, like that. And then in here my tafis skill, the read is like the talking what ya, the what the
Summarizing.
no
Surah.
the what ya, good lah, I forget.
Next questions. Tell me about the game that you have created.
For game, I create so many game in IDEA in 7th grade, from scratch. There is so many. The first is catching fruit, and then Alien Inventor, and then what sih, the doa, what ya, game doa, and then after that Bomber Cat, and then Pac-Man, and then so many game. And then after scratch I make in Billbox. In Billbox I make jumping cube, and then what again ya? I make after jumping cube that the game like what ya? Like I don't know lah, I forget. And for the scratch, there is what a game team, and I make game one team with my friend, and then I make the game. That is for me is good lah.
Last question. Any word for idea?
My word for IDN. My word for IDN is good. Good what? Good school for IT. And then for IDN is maybe the field can what? The field can upgrade basket field, and then futsal field, and then
Okay, well, thank you, Yudik, for the sections. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I want to continue to the second part of the last target, and now I want to describe Jepang. Okay, the first the story. Jepang have so many history, and I just give the summary that is from the 17th to 19th century. Japan held policies that keep the country isolated from the rest of the world, and from after the Second World War, or the World War II, Japan evolution into the modern industrialist nation it is today. And then the flag. The flag is known as the Hinomaru in Japanese, meaning is the circle of sun, and it was adopted by the country uh, 1854 when the country began to create relationship with European nation. And the location and geography Japan. Japan consists of four main islands, that is Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. And Japan is an archipelago located in the Pacific Ocean. And Japan often experiences earthquakes and volcanic eruption because Japan is location in an active tectonic zone. And culture in Japan or Japanese culture, there is tradition, language, art, clothing, tea ceremonies, manga or anime, religion, festivals, business ethics, technology, special food, sushi and green tea. And for tradition, Japanese tradition is Hanami, Obon, and Shogatsu, and Sakura Festival, and Shichigosan, Bondori, and other. Okay, food. The food, in Japan is traditional food, traditional meals that is consists of a bowl that is rice, and then a bowl of miso soup and vegetables and fish or meat, udon and ramen, and then that is sushi and tempura, also popular Japanese dishes. And for the economy, Japan as the modern countries, Japan has the third large economy because Japan has famous companies such as Toyota, Sony, and Nintendo originated from Japan. And then transportation, in Japan, for transportation is very efficient and modern, like high speed trains and subways, and then a good road network. And then for Japanese transportation is efficient advanced technology, like trains, bus, taxis, that is all already use technology because Japan is very modern countries. And then Japan also have brand features, that is Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Subaru, Mazda, and Suzuki, like Lexus, the part of Toyota, Acura, the part of Honda, and then Infiniti, part of Nissan. And that brand is maybe so all country know because the quality, innovation, and durability is very good. and then uh, for favorite place or favorite tourist attraction in Japan. There is so many, but I just maybe tell 5 favorite place in Japan. There is Tokyo, Tokyo Disneyland, and Tokyo Disney Sea. Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Sea, that is what yeah, same but different, like not in one place. And that is famous, the park with attraction that exchange all age, like maybe for in Indonesia there is Dufan, there is Jungleland, yeah, like that. There is very so many attraction. And the second is Fushimi Inari, Taisha Shrine, Kyoto, and and the third is Mount Fuji. Yeah, you know Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is like Mount Fuji is the popular mount and the highest mount in the Japan. Highest mountain in Japan, and that is the symbol of the country. Mount Fuji is a symbol in Japan country. And Kinkakuji Temple Kyoto, and also known as the Golden Pavilion, Zen temple located amidst beautiful gardens. And the last is Nikko National Park. Nikko National Park is there is I already looked, that is so very natural, beautiful. Maybe in Nikko National Park is like park national park, like in Indonesia, like maybe Monas, like that. Okay, next. And favorite hobby in Jepang is so many, but I just tell 3 favorite hobby. That is manga and anime. Yeah, you know Japan is the center of the manga or the and anime or animation. Manga is maybe comic, because so many Japanese people and he very like manga and anime. And because the Japan also is the center of manga and anime, and so many people in the world like see anime or read manga. And then the second is sport. Sport from Japan, or favorite hobby sport in Japan, that is you know sumo, baseball, and then table tennis. Yeah, sumo is the like gulat, like you fight big man and big man, very big man. That is fight. And then baseball is, you know, baseball you use what the you use what yeah, that lah for pass the ball. I don't know about baseball. And then table tennis, yeah, you know table tennis also. Table tennis like game, like sport in the table that use racket, not racket, like use bat. The name is bat. Yeah, like badminton, but this is in table. And then the third is painting and drawing. Ikebana. In Japan, this is very very favorite for uh, Japan people, for Japanese people. Uh, Painting and drawing ikebana is you find art and then you like drawing the like this, drawing the flower, the ikebana flower, and you drawing the flower like this. This is a very very popular hobby in Japan. And for other hobby is still very many, but yeah, just this I tell you. And next, oh sir, okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you, thank you, and syukron. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will continue to the third part for the last target in 9th grade, and this is I will tell you about my favorite project from 7th grade to now. Okay, the first is game. Next, this is the first. My favorite project is catching fruit. Why I like this project? Because this is the first game I can make, and the game is the make game is easy. This game is easy, and I make this game in Scratch in 7th grade. And how to play is you must catch the fruit, like the name catching fruit, and don't touch or don't catch the enemy or the ball. You must catch the fruit, use the ball, this you use this, and for move you just use right arrow and then left arrow. Okay, next, and for the second is Arab game. This is I make in Scratch too. And why this is my favorite game? Because the play is very easy. You just press button play, and then after that the screen change to the screen choose character. There is Bilal and Nadia, and if you you use Bilal, and then the screen move to the adab, and the adab is from before you sleep until you after you sleep. And for the adab is in here. For the screen adab, in here there is next, and in here back, and in here there is button home. If you press button home, the screen move to this screen again. Okay, next, Cities Land 5. This is my own game. This is game I make in Buildbox, and I make this after I learn in Buildbox. And my teacher give task, that is make game, but there is a team, and the team is two people, and I remember, I think I am with Danis. I make this game with Danis, and the play is very easy. You must search and take 5 key, 5 key, and there is the timer. The timer is 5 minutes. You just use right arrow, left arrow, and then up arrow, like that. Okay, next website. The first website is my personal website. Why my personal website is my favorite project? Because my personal website is used for 3 years, from 7th grade to 9th grade, and in this website there is my profile, my project in IDEN from 7th grade to 9th grade, and there is the video, like video IT, video English, video dunia, all in this website, or all in my personal website. And there is my achievement, there is my gallery, there is my contact, and there is my portfolio. And this website also I use for SKL. Okay, next. This is a school website. There is my teacher give task that is make website elementary school, and because my elementary school in Anahal, I make website is Anahal Islamic School. There is a button for register, and the profile Anahal, and the academic, the information, the news, the achievement, the PDB, and contact. I get the information all in here. I get from the Anahal website. Okay, next, Android. Okay, so the next is Find My Edge. This is my first favorite project in Android, and this is Android as I start learn Android in 9th grade, and this is the first my favorite project. And why I choose this? Because you can know your age now, like you just send your born in here, like maybe if you for example, if you send 2009 and your age is in here 14, and in here is there is like the group you are a teenager, and maybe if you send 2002, maybe your age is adult, and if you send 2012, you is a child, like that, and for the age is in here. Okay, next. The next is daily prayer. Daily prayer, that is so many daily prayer in this here, but this is in Bitaqwa app, and then daily prayer, like in here there is a morning and evening prayer, home prayer, eat and drink, journey, sholat, and good ethics, like that. And if you click one or click this, and the screen move to the prayer for morning and evening, like that. Okay, the next is calculator zakat. Calculator zakat. The calculator zakat is in Bitaqwa app 2. And why I like this, because you can calculate zakat from the amount of your asset or treasure. You just put your treasure in here and then click OK, and then there is in here you must give how much zakat, like that. Okay, the next multimedia. This is my favorite project for multimedia. That is 3D mini room, and I make in Spline. Why I make this? Because you can like make a mini room in 3D, and you can use this. You can design this like maybe if more bigger, there is your bed, your table, there is a chair, like that. And then the last, my favorite project is short movie. This short movie is a group, that is a team, that is me, Moko, Guntur, and Abil, and the title is The Power of Small Act. And this short movie is in the video is in Guntur channel, in Guntur Aden TV. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all from me. Syukron. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.